Are you looking for the best air conditioning contractor in Jacksonville? Well, you came to the right place. We are Northport Heating and Air Conditioning with over 20 years in impeccable service. We are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we do not charge extra for after hours or holiday emergency service. We specialize in 24/7 emergency heating and air conditioning repair, air system installations, air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and schedule air system maintenance. We service Jacksonville and all cities and towns in the Florida counties of Clay, Duval, Nassau, and St. Johns for both residential and commercial heating and air conditioning systems. Call us now for quick repairs, further information, or an estimate at 904-245-1594.